Hi, my name is Reuben. I'm the service technician at West Creek Homes. Today we're doing a service tutorial on how to set the humidity in your home. This is very important because if you have elevated humidity in the house, it can cause moisture problems. Things like water dripping off of your windows, or even moisture developing in cold zones of the house like an attic if air were to leak in there. So on this thermostat, you can see we have a humidity control section, and we can click in there and see a handy guide that's indicating as it's colder outside, we need to set the humidity at a lower number according to the temperature. When we're happy with that setting, you can go back and it should run on its own. This is not to be confused though with the ventilation system, which also has settings for dehumidifying the house. You don't want to set this number lower than the humidity target. That way they would be competing with each other. Now, while your heating system will distribute heat throughout the house and can contribute humidity to the air, the ventilation system will help extract stale air in places like the bathrooms and then replace that with fresh air. This ventilation control has some specific controls which will be very helpful. First, it has a button for controlling the fan speed of the heat recovery ventilator. It also has a timed exhaust setting to extract air for a certain amount of time. It has a configure button to change if you're venting or recirculating air. And finally, it has a button to control a humidity setting so that you can dehumidify the air down to a set number. But this, between the two of them, gives you great options to control the humidity in your home, keep it healthy and comfortable. If you have any more questions, check us out on westcreekhomes.ca.